Hello, my name is Nikos. I work with Omega Technology as a project manager. Today, I will be talking about the Burnout free e-learning game and the authoring tools behind that allow the enhancement of the game with new content. The training aims to equip participants with the knowledge and skills required to effectively utilize the e-learning game to support both professionals and parents. Additionally, the participants will be empowered to create new scenarios using the e-learning game's authoring tool, fostering greater customization and adaptability to meet diverse needs. The learning outcomes of this training are structured around three key aspects. In terms of knowledge, participants will understand the operation of the e-learning game and the process of creating new scenarios using the authoring tool. Regarding skills, participants will be able to run the e-learning game effectively and develop their own scenarios. Finally, in terms of competencies, participants will learn to exploit the e-learning game for their specific needs and explain the use of the platform to others. The training route map guides participants through the key steps of the learning journey. It begins with an introduction to the module, providing a foundation for understanding the e-learning game. Following this, they will learn how to create new scenarios and modify the mood quiz to tailor the game to specific needs. Additionally, participants will explore user analytics to gain insights into usage and outcomes. The route concludes with a revision phase to remind the learning objectives and ensure understanding. The e-learning game is a versatile tool designed for both professionals and parents. It offers a range of simulations that present real-life scenarios, enabling users to engage in practical learning. The game also includes a mood quiz that helps detect burnout symptoms, empowering users with self-awareness. Furthermore, it provides links to relevant literature, tailored to user choices, for deeper understanding. An accompanying authoring tool enhances the experience by allowing users to create new scenarios, ensuring the game remains flexible and adaptable to varying needs. The home screen of the app serves as the central hub, displaying a list of all available scenarios. Users can browse through the scenarios, and upon selecting one, its detailed description is displayed. Once a scenario is chosen, clicking the Start button will load the selected scenario, seamlessly transitioning the user into the interactive experience. Selecting the appropriate role within the app, whether as a parent or a professional, is a crucial step. This choice ensures that the scenarios presented are specifically filtered and tailored to the selected role, providing a more relevant and personalized experience. Within the game, users engage with an avatar situated in a chosen setting, such as a home or office environment. During interactive dialogues, users are presented with multiple options and must select from different sayings, guiding the conversation and shaping the scenario outcomes based on their choices. The avatar responds dynamically based on the user's choices during the interaction. These responses are provided in both text and narration formats, ensuring accessibility and engagement for users across all supported languages. Feedback is tailored based on the user's choices during the interaction, ensuring a personalized learning experience. Additionally, the platform provides links to relevant literature, enabling users to explore deeper insights and expand their understanding of the scenarios. Users have the flexibility to access the mood quiz at any point during their experience. The quiz presents various statements, and users are asked to express their level of agreement with each one. Upon completion, the results are displayed on a timeline, providing a clear visualization of their progress and emotional state over time. The process of creating new scenarios is facilitated through a user-friendly web platform. This platform also allows users to modify existing scenarios, providing the flexibility to adapt content to specific needs. Additionally, scenarios can be translated into multiple languages, making the tool accessible and valuable for diverse audiences. Adding a new scenario involves a straightforward process. The author begins by setting the title and providing a description. Next, the author selects the specific scenery where the scenario will unfold and defines the role for which the scenario is designed, whether it is for a parent or a professional. The process of creating a scenario typically begins with defining an initial statement made by the avatar. The author inputs the text for this statement and selects the avatar that will deliver it. Additionally, the author can utilize the hyperlink text and hyperlink URL fields to include feedback messages and relevant links, enhancing the interactivity and depth of the scenario. Each statement made by the avatar can be connected to one or more options for the user to choose from, creating a dynamic and interactive experience. These user responses are added under the avatar's statement by inputting the relevant text, allowing for branching paths and personalized interactions within the scenario. Each user response can be connected to a subsequent statement from the avatar, building a dialogue tree with multiple paths. This design allows users to navigate through different conversational routes, making the scenarios more engaging and adaptable to varied choices and outcomes. The image illustrates a visualization of an existing scenario, showcasing the various paths that users can explore based on their choices. Each path leads to a unique conclusion, where users receive tailored feedback messages and links to additional resources, enriching their learning experience and providing deeper insights. All avatar statements and user responses come with a built-in translation option. This feature allows the content to be translated into multiple languages, ensuring accessibility for diverse audiences. Additionally, voice recordings in MP3 format can be uploaded, enhancing the multimedia experience for users. The platform provides the capability to customize the mood quiz, tailoring it to the specific needs of the users. The platform includes the option to translate the questions within the mood quiz into multiple languages. Last but not least, authorized users have access to detailed analytics on the platform. These insights include data such as the number of scenarios completed by users and the number of mood quizzes taken. In this webinar, we explored the key features and benefits of the e-learning game platform. The game provides users with the ability to play tailored training scenarios based on their role, whether as a parent or a professional. Additionally, users can engage with the mood quiz to assess their emotional state effectively. We also discussed how training scenarios and mood quiz questions are created through a flexible online tool, empowering trainers to design new scenarios and translate content into multiple languages to cater to diverse audiences. Lastly, we learned about the system's analytics feature, which tracks scenario completion and quiz participation, offering valuable insights for further studies and improvements. Thank you for listening to this webinar on the e-learning game. For more information on this topic, you can look at the other materials on the Burnout Free Digital Hub, or you can go to the Burnout Free website.